The verb to be. Now let's listen to the verb to be, in his full and short form. I am, you are, he, she, is, we are, they are. Now let's listen to the short form. I'm, you're, he's, she's, we're, they're. We use to be with our nationalities.
I am Canadian.
We also use to be with our names. Here are some examples.
Hi, I'm Will Turner.
Hello Will, I'm Sally.
Hi Sally, I'm from Kansas.
We can use to be to talk about feelings.
I'm happy.
I'm sad.
She is angry.
We can also use to be to talk about professions.
I'm a dentist.
He is a plumber.